Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create transparent text in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to add text to my presentation. I'm going to click on insert and click on shape. I'm going to select this text box to add the text to my slide. I'm just going to add text tutorial. Okay, and I'm going to make the text bigger. I'm going to increase the size of the text. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to change the font as well. I'm gonna use this Arial Black. Okay, right, and after that we can add shape to this text. You can go to insert, go to shapes, and select this one. And you can draw with the shape right here, and you can select all of them like this, and we can go to the merge shape and select fragment. Okay, and you can double click on the shape like this, and you can just drag it. Okay, and we don't need this part, so we can delete it. Just select this text and you can click on delete. Okay, and this is the result guys, and you can edit the transparent text as you like. If you don't like the blue color, you can change the fill color. For the fill color, I'm going to select maybe this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller like this. You can also rotate it. Okay. Alright guys, then that's all the way to create transparent text in PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.